Today we're doing an unboxing of the Dell XPS 15. So, go ahead and open this up. Get rid of that outer plastic. Voila! Okay, so go ahead and pull it out. Power cord here. USB Type-C charging cable. Nice little book. Every little thing is every little thing. Actually, just every little thing is everything. But we'll go ahead and open that up. Got some apps for us in here. Scan code. Okay. And then a couple of adapters right in the box, which is kind of nice. So we got the HDMI adapter and the USB Type-A adapter with a little cable. It's going to connect to USB-C. Just make sure there's nothing else in there. That's it. Okay, let's close that up. Get that out of the way. Go ahead and peel the plastic off of this one. Okay, first look as we open it up from the middle. Ooh, a little cold. Alright, let's power it on. We have power. So as you can see, we got the backlit keyboard. Nice little Dell logo popping up. This is the i9 19900H. And looks like we're going with Windows 10 with a license for Windows 11 Pro. So we'll go ahead and set it up. One keyboard is enough. Go ahead and skip the Wi-Fi for now. And I like to turn off all these privacy settings here, but it's completely up to you if you'd like to keep that. I don't use Cortana, so I'm just saying not now to that. And then I'll go ahead and put in my details here.